Hello all for a short session of 30 minutes or bit more, elbow cough.
Hello and welcome back to CarX Part 2, West Coast Arena Reverse Special All Vehicles on number 339. For a short of a 30 to a 45 minutes or something, not sure. Because it get actually a 50 o'clock, a little, you know, these kind of sort of to be, what is the calling anyway, meeting around the bank. So yeah, just a little, you know, meanwhile stuff. And maybe later on then, after the bank, going to the compound, and then going home, and then we can play continuously widely forwardly with 340 then. Alright, what we got in here? Vehicle. Oh, we have to deal up with the setup first. God damn it, I hate that stuff. The description. Beep. Dealing done to construction sites today. Normally planned actually one of these. It's costing just 2 hours. The other one was 2 hours, and it was actually a half hour in the compound, and the half hour actually was getting us actually our compressor from the construction work back, and yeah, she check actually with my half uncle or something then, and yeah, whatever. So a weird day, seriously. The other group is actually still working. Me, I'm hitting them after the bank meeting, not sure. So description is done. Oh, losgelaufen. Ein Schund. Uh-oh. Where are my pills? Just kidding. Alright, first up, tequila. That's why we are maybe good in the mood today. That cigarette here, cigarette there. Chisap can punch, obviously this is called PsN Acc spielen. Oh, actually a wonderful card is Midnight, makes good points. Nice balance. The burner. Okay, these cards what I'm using right now is having no setup actually, just only the ultimate part. That's all. Nighttime reverse, here we go. Goodbye. Oh, holy crack. I'm burning down the road. I'm actually hungry. But I don't know what to eat right now. Die Elstern hier, ey. Musst du mal in den Nestern schauen. Da glitzert alles ist wahrscheinlich. Got my mouse. Oh, what's wrong in here? Morning, fool. Oh, crack. Check, check, check. Crack, crack, crack. What's wrong, dude? You don't like the sunshine outside? Pretty man. There we go. Ah, got it. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, I just sent it off, right? I think in my live stream at the morning time I totally forgot to actually mute my amplifier here. How about that? Hätte das Ding noch mal rumreißen können. Holy shit. Very close. As I explained, that's the weirdest beat here. These best inside beats, dude. Beast inside beats. they had the same actually the melody actually from shuffle off my earplugs from Soundcore, right? At the same beat. And that's why I was thinking my earplugs I want to get off. And so these vehicles are without setup on the suspension right now, like the last one as well from tomorrow. This morning, I mean. Why I'm saying oh tomorrow. My assy. What the hell is that? 8,228. It looks nice. Next vehicle. And here we go, we have actually a setup. Or the party car. One more time, yeah. Into the river. One more time, we're driving into the river. Is it? Mr. Doughboy Mac. Hey, yo, what the hell are you doing? Nitro the bat down below. Smoke my cigars and my cigarilles. Basically say, tjus up kampanen står vi så nyt, og du skal på det til next stream again. Oh, Tony. Section online here. Can't watch right now. I'm in a hurry. 40 minutes left. Drink fast. Drift well. Gambatte. Why is that party van actually so stiff? Man, how is this deal done with these 2,994 or what was it? I can't remember anymore. Short time thinking stuff, you know. Must be the drinking. Oh. Next vehicle, I totally fucked it totally up with the Betsy here. Ooh, yeah. I told you, I just worked a little while for that. Problems, officer. Are you mad at something on me? Next. Check it out. 2,918. Oh, 2018. Oh, well, I think we can beat that. Easily. You're looking so mad. Ganbaremos. Holy moly. What's the problem, officer? That's the beastly problem. I beat my record from yesterday by 6,400 something else by a 7k. Yay! Ah, that's my sidekicks actually. Nobody's watching. That was me. What's the problems, officer? No, sure. quick one. Eh? Nani? Ta-da! Ta-da! Something new? Nope. It's a bit weird away. Yeah, it is. It's not fitting. Oh, come on, I have no time for that stuff. He's done fast. He's done fast. Nothing fits. The hell, you just was thinking about that. Yeah, the crack. Is that a deal? I don't think so. Okay, I have no time. We have to go forward here. Yeah. Alright. Problems, officer. I like that. But there's something missing. Hold on. Can I still do that? Hold on. Dots, 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 dots. Oh, these are too big, right? Oh, maybe? No. Oh, I don't see them. There we go. Okay. They're a little bigger. That's creep. Problems, officer. Alright. Next vehicle. O'clock 53. Actually, a half hour left. 7 minutes plus. Alright. So this vehicle, 1901. What's up with the music? What What up? Ce s-a campana și ofițelul să duci cu altă dish next stream. I just want to give you away my hello. My playlist actually from CarX D.R.O. I just upgraded it a bit. Doing done some days. Enjoy.
URL.
What just happened? Steht denn das hier wieder? Here we go. It's that Spotify stuff, you know, I'm sorry for that one.
Def Nations CarX D.R.O. 2024.
Well, that girl. 2K24, right? Something this crack. Tequila, I'm coming up. Man, that's nice music. How about that? Put that on. That's 600 pounds plus. Next vehicle. Don't waste some time. The same on the way actually to the bank then. Don't waste some time. You need to go up here. There's a bridge. There's a river. Let's keep it. Oh crap, 20 cars here around actually. I don't care. Hurry up. Oh, God damn it, I need 4 hands. Royal. Ah, tasty beer. $2,303. Okay. Trying to beat that up. Még te tequila az olyan magdom, mondjam, mit pianos van. Jesus. It wasn't late. Hell no. That was the wrong start actually. Ooh, not even a 1.5. Loser. Who say that? Get in your corner. Crowd. Sent the knife into the fire. Oh my gosh, what happened here? Next vehicle. Oh, no pressure. No. Oh my gosh, I don't even tune that car. Only the ultimate parts, of course. But actually, the ultimate part, but didn't tune the car. It's like a dealing done actually a drag race. And after 20 seconds, actually, you're drinking all the times a nip of beer. And just in a kind of 5 minutes you have in that next beer then. I feel like right now. About that. Come on, Evo. Oh. Oh my god, okay. Go nuts at the wheel. Holy crap. Just 1 second, 3 turns. How unrealistic. You're just dealing done with that at once. Then you got shoulder problems. Or maybe the bones are actually... Whatever. Ran raus aus dem Fleisch. Kann ich nicht auf Englisch sagen, da bin ich so low poke. Too fast, too furious. That's a music zone. What the hell is wrong? No. Okay. Did I get a call? No. Ooh. Too fast. Tequila. Tequila. Ça va. Ouh là là. Cambarnas. Tell them who the hell you are. Oh, 0? Oh my god. Easy now, whatever. Nice engine. Without tuning, okay. Seriously, a good car. Sometimes I'm surprised actually on my not actually worked on 114 cars from, I think there are 20 cars I didn't deal done with setups. Aerodynamic kit and all this stuff. Horizon, right? Yeah. Good. Oh, the cargo. The beast. Oh, I have kind of versions of it. Oh, okay, that was a racing. That was actually a drift and stuff. Okay. What's wrong with the engine? Oh, hold on. Stop the music. It's a silent one. Oh my crackness! Okay, what happened here? You happy to see me or something? My crackness. I think I can beat that anyway. A 6 and a 123. What a nice digit. I don't care about these fucking digits, do you? How about that? This vehicle needs the 4th gear. Here we go. Huh, how the hell I just did that? Sometimes. Well, that's before actually the 7K with the other car. I was not expect that with the Camaro SS. I don't know. Huh. Yesterday was a 6,400, unexpected with a low budget car actually. What kind of a car is low budget here in the game? So I'm not sure. 4 minutes after 14 o'clock. I'll be becoming actually to 100,000 DP points. Okay. And the bar is filling. Yay. Level 28 becoming sooner on Earth. And then another 4 years to play that game to having my platin then. I think I'm dead then at the same time. Ja, was tut das denn machen? Was willst du denn von mir? Oh, es wurde geliefert. Nice one. Next vehicle. Alright. Yeah, I changed the color of the eyes. It's because actually the wheel from the background. Got new wheels? Alright, let's change it. And I thought that is one of the first cars I did with the new wheel. As I didn't know there are 2 new cars as well in this game then. I totally fucked it up. The Ronin and the Quaranta. Give your best beast. Show off. Vehicle. Normally they're calling it a vehicle. Lalilulelo. Lass mal scheißen und das dermaßen auf dem Klo. Wow. Is that the maximum you can? Burp. Het is ook een paar schwabe solution doet kalt per die snack spiem. Oh, hey, we get now that suck. Just kidding. But yeah, maybe, I'm not sure. Ganbarimasu. Yes, sir. Nice one. Yeah, press the light system on. Sweet. Without actually having that turning. Nice one. 360. 3060. 3600, I'm sorry. I have my cigarette in my mouth, sorry. A beautiful car. No, it's just the, no, it's my tires. It's not the, no, you're not talking about the window screen. It's not, no. Wow, that was so close. And then I pressed the light system on. Well, the game was a little bit busy somehow in this time. Nice one. Moon Knight. It fits somehow. Where's the moon actually on the girl? Can you get something on it? But where? Where do you want to have it? Kind of a blood moon or something's crack. It's not fitting here. Well, all this stuff is coming in her face actually. I can't get a blood moon in here. No. Poorly. Next vehicle. Corona or something is cracked. Yeah, my colleague actually is coughing all the time. So I'm not sure what he got. He's saying actually it's kind of these snotty things and coffee thing, you know. He got these what's that in English? God damn it, that's a grip auf Englisch over the yeah, he's a little bit ill by a throat and coughing and snotting. No, actually he's not snotting, right? Maybe he got corona, I'm not sure. He was actually at Tuesday at the Bavarian Stadium Bayern Arena here in Bavaria, Germany. And he was watching, or better say actually in the stadium, Real Madrid versus Bayern. That's in the end the score was 2-2 on the soccer game. But then he was saying that Wednesday, he was actually fishing, and so he was getting a little bit ill there. Wasn't there actually all the times? Oh, Corona. Here we go. There's Corona. Oh my god, a 3.5. Oh. Ce sapem pana szłapie sobie, co tu po co to dzień śpimy sobie. Do I forget all the times the skull? Ooh la la. What kind of shoes you want to carry? Oh, I got it. Come on. Trust me, I know what I'm really done. Come on, get it. No. Did I? I'm not sure. Very close. Ah, no, I think 3.6 I'd say, right? I'm not sure anymore. Ah, crap. Next vehicle, time is running and ticking. 25 minutes left. No, 15 minutes left. Oh, crap, the time is... Oh, come on. You're in 10 minutes up there, right? Alright, 25 minutes left. 24 minutes left. God damn it. Yeah. Nice one, whoever just did that. I love the tire work I just did. That fit. Yeah. Oh yeah, Sternhagel Brew. Here we go. Since I have this account, I created that vehicle. Even better than actually before. I just did on DefRekka account for 1.5 years plus. But I'm not drinking this beer anymore. I have right now the Waldenberger Pilsner beer from, I think it is from Netherlands. Luxembourg, okay. Mach mal schnell jetzt, Jungmann. Das habe ich nochmal schon wieder vergessen. Ah, wie heißt das wieder? Nicht Eichelmann, ja. Sie fixen uns. Jetzt muss ich ja den Namen auch nochmal angeben. Jetzt muss ich mir wieder Vorwürfe machen, Alter. Ich hätte so einen Anruf schnell aufzeichnet. Irgendwas schon hier. Aber das. Boah, 1000, Alter, was ist da passiert? Holy crap, what just happened to get an 8K for me? I think I was by 4,000 or something and I just twisted somehow over the bridge. Oh, maybe that's why. Well, 8,000? Are you fucking kidding me? That was a wonderful day then. A lot of alcohol. Earl. No, ist das schon benannt? Not Earl. So slippy on my fingers. Try to clean that in. My fucked up fingers. Top car, yeah, definitely. What was that? An 8K? 8,691? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. So that is actually the car that makes the most points. Silent. Fujin. Yoo-hoo. Ah, that I just deal done with it. that background. I'm not gonna fit actually with everything. Be nice. So the shark is coming. Me versus robot. I like that. I thought, what can I deal done with it? So I used actually the robot, and then who can fight against a robot? T-Rex? And then I saw the bee. Ah, come on, let's do that bee, because bee can be actually stressful for robots, for the AI system or something, you know, the chips in the robot system. So bees may be very exhaustful for them. So that's why the bee. And it fits actually for the color, whoever makes this with the nice try. Cheers up. He's too fast for you, man. Vámonos. Let's try it again. Nice one. Cool car, yeah. The V8 somehow fit. The 7-liter fits. Next song, sir. Oh, now it's loud. Some gothic funk or something, or like that. Send this to the Sunshine Valley. Robert versus B. Next vehicle. Oh, the R7. Always was fighting actually for the suspension work on that DefRekka account. Couple of actually kind of 2 months or 3 months I couldn't fit with it. Then I started up the DjVolgin account as I was raped off by Sony to get losing my account at DefRekka. So I started up DjVolgin account. So I fighted so much actually with these suspension work, and finally I found it then. Watching anymore, alright. Nice one. What we got? 2,300 only? Oh, we can deal that done better. 2,800. Wo geht man lang? Beim Rössler vorbei. Ja, so. Krawatte. We started up. Full control back. 1K better. Oh, nice. 30 points. Nice one. Mazda RX-7. Love that car. One of my favorites. The other one is the RX-8. The kind of Mercedes, and then we come in actually to the American muscle cars. And maybe there are 1 or 2 Italian Asian cars. Again. Next vehicle. 1480. Come. Blah blah. Let's see what's going on with this vehicle. Oh, nothing in here. Check up yourself. The glorious X-SAT. Glorious XC? No, SAT. C is C. You know what I'm saying? It's not a GTX or something that's cracked. This is a X-SAT. Glorious X-SAT. What's the Epsilon? Epsilon X-SAT. Gambarimasu. Like a super a bit. What happened? Short broken? Next vehicle. We have no time. 10 minutes left. Ooh, that music now. Graves. Johnny. Graves. City of Dreams. Oh, goosebumps. Cyberpunk 2077. The Interstate. Yeah, my beloved one. It's one of these muscles I talked about. Catch on at 2.2 and a half. Fast sipping, more than a beer, and actually a quarter actually of the Sierra tequila. My last cigarette. Gambarimasu. Cover a bunch of all this. This is my record. 100 points I'm missing. Dang. All these muscle cars I like very much as a German. Ooh la la, ooh la la, I didn't use that very much. Beautiful car actually. Oh, we just used it in here. Can't believe it. Close to a 2K, I'm trying to say 1997, but oh, it's a stopper, a tongue stopper. I think my cousin was born there, 1997. But that. Velcro. Yes, sir. 3388. Nice. I'm using all these cars very well. They're very good actually working on the drifting. Made them up, testify them, and go to the next vehicle. I'm a bastard. Oh gosh, the hot rod. I hate these setup for the hot rod. I like hot rods, but I was very... this is kind of this problem like the Mazda RX-7 has, the Mazda RX-8, and also the truck. So many problems. This account just fucked up with these mother-tucking hot rod. It's a 180 in seconds, a twister. Very sensible actually by driving with the, yeah, if you have a wheel actually you're driving this game on isolation, you're not happy with that. Every none of me actually on the fucking wheels Conan. How about that? Conan O'Brien in the hay. Here we go. Trickster, eh? Beast. DjVolgin actually in LA. 2740. West Coast Arena. Nice one. Today is everything very well and running good. I give myself a thumb up. Send me Monica in my lobby, my Oval Office. What? Wird Stimmausgångar. So my second last car comes up. Woo. A Japanese muscle car. Suka. Ganbarimasu. Last vehicle. Mit dem blauen Fleck oder was? Alter. Need to done something with it because I just make a mistake in here. I told myself the last time. There we go, now it fits. Let's beat up that 3K. Wie kommen die Flaschen, wo ich kam, jetzt in Totentaschen der Schirm, oder? Da werden das Ding, das sind Pipe Bombs. Alter. Dass das draußen steht, haben wir sich aufs aufgestellt. Ja, wunderbar, da seid ihr bis in der Bank drin. Da war drove in the same car again. Oh my crackness. No way. I'm so sorry. Oh, 4,000. I was drove in the same car, right? Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, crack. Folk, I'm so sorry. I just tried to change something. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Oh, the rule is broken. I'm a fool. Fuel of alcohol, fool. To be a fool. Oh, crack, what I just did. I give a second chance to a car and actually I beat myself. Okay, I'm not in very something with this crack. Whoa, 6,363. Please do not break that record in here. I try hard, but I don't want to do. It's a nice number. 6363. Okay, my lost car. The second lost car. Yeah, my lost car. Directing in the other direction. What the hell? What the? Seriously, what the fuck is going on? I was actually going with the steering wheel the other direction. Must be the chip tuning or something, just sending yourself actually somewhere else. Raven shiz. My cigarette is not off. You can take it with you to the bank. Next vehicle. Elegante. Yeah, I tried to actually sell myself a little bit. Typing off in here. Evil. Gambarimasu. Oh, we need to beat that, definitely. Macht doch keinen Stress. Muss nochmal auf schnell auf die Toilette. Und dann gehen wir. So that's my last one. Thank you very much for watching here a little while. Be right back actually in 2 hours. Thanks for watching a while. If you like it, thumb up. If you don't like, thumb down. Just want to share it? There's the option. Making a clip. All the option off. Want to ring the bell for a subscribe? Your chance. Oh, have fun in life. Camaradas. So missing up some Euro stuff and some coffee. Maybe my German English is not so good. Not sure. Cheap version, Chinese version, actually of a bean. Oh, don't crash. No. Like a heel rank. Yeah, definitely we beat ourselves by 2,000 points. Nice one. 2,050 points or something. A cheap version of a BMW from China. Yeah. Imitate of BMW from Bavaria. Or Chinese versions. Alright guys, that's it. Catch you guys later. Have fun. Bye bye. Later on. Matta. Where's the power option? Here we go. Enter the rest mode.